man, I am gonna go into this Pattaya night bazaar and see what's in there. What's going on, family? It's your man Matt DV. We are still in Pattaya Beach, Thailand, and today we are gonna go and try some noodles here at Lanzhou Noodles. This spot was suggested by a local here, so we're gonna go in and check out the flavors. I got my noodles here. I got the beef noodle. Look at this, man. Look at that. That's serious, right? Them jokers steamy. Look at that. Look at this, man. I got those thin noodles. I got the thin ones. I want to taste it before I put some of this hot oil on it. This is the real hot pepper oil. Look, with the gooey, hot, spicy pepper at the bottom. We're gonna add some of that to it. I want to taste it first, though. Oh, that broth is really good. Oh, that's some good broth. I want to bite into the noodles, though. I know it's nice and hot and steamy. That broth is hitting the spot, y'all. Okay, I'm here to taste the noodles, so let's get into them. We ain't gonna be long on this. It's not spicy, that's for sure. Oh, these are the skinniest chopsticks that I've ever seen. Look, them chopsticks are really skinny, right? That's funny. Here we go. I gotta eat some of this, y'all. This is better with a fork. Blow these jokers off. We gotta blow them. Don't even go there. I know, y'all. That would be my holy king bugging out. Those are good noodles. I'm happy. I'm happy, y'all. Oh, it's got beef in here too. I gotta get that piece of beef. Let me let y'all see, it does have a piece of beef here. See the beef right there? It does have beef. It's dripping, y'all. See that beef? Oh. That beef is really chewy and gooey. Let's put some of this hot oil in there now. I just don't know how hot this is. I'm gonna put it right on the side, y'all. I ain't messing with y'all. I just want to taste that hot oil. It don't taste that spicy at first. Let's see what's up. That's spicy. I want more though. I want to dig deep down in there and get that good gooey hot pepper sauce that's been down there at the bottom of it, just sitting. Let's stir it up. Get a big chunk of it like that. I think just one of those hot peppers that has a delayed action to it, because I'm starting to feel those hot peppers now. But I like it. These noodles are really good. put the price up right here. Not a bad price for these noodles. You gotta look for spots that all the natives go to. And this is evidently one of them. All right, guys, my total came to 150 baht. It was absolutely delicious. I would suggest this place here. Also, remember, if you come to Pattaya Beach, Thailand, we're off of Beach Road here. What's the name of this road? Is it first? Is Beach Road? Okay. We are off of Beach Road here. In the spot here, we're gonna put the address right there. Come check it out. 150 baht. Check it out. On to the next one. Peace.
I went to the beach almost every day. When I say to the beach, I did not get in the water. I was kind of warned of getting in the water because it has oils and stuff from the boats. As always, you can see parasailing back on in the distance there, probably about 12 to 15 parasailers, and then another island back there. Really had a good time here almost every day. Normally the lawn chairs are out here too, but today they wasn't for some reason.
All right, y'all, still here in Pattaya on Sai Sung Road, and I am gonna go into this Pattaya night bazaar and see what's in there. Looks like it's huge, man. So we're gonna check this spot out. If I can make it across the street, and I think this is a good opportunity to make it. Oh yeah, we made it. Suitcases, 1150 baht, 700 baht. The conversion is like 32 baht for the dollar right now. Looks like it's mostly. Yeah, I thought I would come in here and find some food, but I don't think that's happening. Yo, they got artwork in here. They got some artwork. That's the art zone. And it's a little food spot here, but it looks like it has something that needs to be desired. I love this art.
Throughout Thailand, you'll encounter numerous small shrines and spirit houses where people leave offerings.
Crocodile over here? Is that alligator? Look at that. I'm going downstairs because I know that they have some food down here. It's already starting to feel nice and cool, y'all. Oh, they got like a little supermarket down here too. I should have came down here for the things I needed earlier. I didn't know. How much are they? 60 baht? 100 baht?
Small 60 baht.
What do you get, 6? 2? Oh, they come in here? How many? 1, 2, 3? Just one in there?
6.
Oh,
6. Yeah, 6 kids.
You teaching him, huh? That's his teacher. Okay. Yeah, I'll take 6. Garlic?
You want?
Is that garlic? Garlic. Yeah, and some oil. Yeah.
This food I'm about to eat, I actually ate about 10 times while
Yes.
in Thailand.
That's all I need. Ooh, yeah, that's hot. Let me come over here and pay, okay? Here we go. Here we go. Look, y'all. Uh-oh, look at this little shrimp. What the heck? There's gotta be more shrimp in there than that. Oh, okay, it's filled. Filled with meat too. They probably like, how much shrimp you think you're gonna get for $2? Yo, 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 yo. That's my cousin Stevie, y'all. He called me. What's happening? That was my cousin Stevie, y'all. I had to stop the video real quick, but y'all didn't notice. This is good. I'm telling you. The reason I went over there is because yesterday there were like two of them looked like they worked around here somewhere. They had like uniforms on, but there was 3 Thai people there buying from that booth. That's the booth I want to buy from, where the locals buy. And sometimes I use that term local. Doesn't necessarily mean they live in this hood. I'm talking about Thai people. Is this lady sweeping around my chair right now? My mother would have had a fit if you were sweeping around her feet while she was eating. I mean, she would have had a conniption fit. You ever see anybody have a conniption fit? It ain't pretty. And usually it involves the kids getting spanked. Little small shrimp. Let me see, how can I show y'all how big that is? Okay, this is my pinky. It's about the size of the first sheet, about the size of the first section of my pinky. Look at that. Matt still ate it though. Come on, y'all. Let's go around some more. And that's the building I'm staying in right there. It's called The Edge. Like $30 a night, $32 a night.